Hello friends, welcome once again to this channel Banking Nothing Else. I am A. Bhattacharya. Today I am going to discuss savings bank account for minors. It is never too early to inculcate good habits in our children. It is better to introduce the child to the world of banking early with savings bank account, customized especially for minors under the age of 18. It will help them understand finances, banking, and start managing their small expenses. Every bank has named such accounts in their own way. State Bank of India has also introduced two schemes for minors as Pehla Kadam and Pehli Udaan. Eligibility. Pehla Kadam. This is for minor of any age. It is jointly opened with the parent or guardian. Pehli Udaan. This is for minor above the age of 10 who has uniform signature. It is opened in the sole name of minor. KYC requirement. Pehla Kadam. It is opened jointly with parent or guardian. That is why date of birth proof of minor along with KYC, Aadhaar and PAN or Form 60 of parent or guardian is required. In Pehli Udaan, as it is an account of minor only, therefore date of birth proof, Aadhaar and PAN or Form 60 of the minor is required. Here two points are to be noted. Number one, where Aadhaar number has not been assigned, there the applicant shall furnish proof of application of enrollment for Aadhaar, and in case PAN is not submitted, one certified copy of an officially valid document along with Form 60 will have to be submitted. 2. In case the applicant is not a resident or is a resident of state of Assam or Meghalaya or Union Territories of J&K or Ladakh and does not submit the PAN, he or she shall submit one certified copy of officially valid document containing details of identity and address along with recent photograph. Mode of operation. Pehla Kadam. It is jointly operated along with parent or guardian or singly by parent or guardian. Pehli Udaan. It is singly operated by minor. Features. Maximum balance rupees 10 lakh, that is at any point of time the balance should not exceed this amount. Minimum balance. There is no stipulation for minimum balance. Checkbook. Specially designed personalized checkbook with 10 check leaves are allowed. In Pehla Kadam, checkbook is issued to the guardian in the name of minor under guardianship. And in Pehli Udaan, checkbook is issued to minor if the minor can sign uniformly. Photo ATM cum debit card. Child's photo embossed ATM cum debit card is given. Pehla Kadam, card is issued in the name of minor and guardian, whereas in Pehli Udaan, card is issued in the name of minor only. Card can be used for withdrawal and at point of sales. The transaction limit per day is rupees 5,000. Mobile banking. It is available in both the accounts with viewing rights and limited transaction right available, that is bill payments and top-ups can be done with this. Per day transaction limit is of rupees 2,000. Internet banking available in both the accounts. Inquiry rights and limited transaction rights are available for the purpose of bill payment, opening e-term deposit, e-special term deposit, e-recurring deposit, interbank fund transfer, NEFT only, or issue demand drafts. Per day transaction limit is of rupees 5,000. Other facilities. Auto sweep facility. It is available with a minimum threshold of rupees 20,000. Sweep in multiple of rupees 1,000 with a minimum of rupees 10,000 is allowed. Overdraft, Pehla Kadam. As it is jointly opened with parent or guardian, overdraft facility available against fixed deposit to parent or guardian subject to fulfilling other terms and conditions. Pehli Udan. No overdraft facility is available as it is opened in the name of minor only. Standing instruction. Option for setting one standing instruction for recurring deposit is allowed entirely free of charge. Personal accident insurance. Personal accident insurance cover offered by SBI General is available for the parent or guardian only in case of Pehla Kadam account. Smart Scholar Market Link Child Plan offered by SBI Life with inbuilt premium waiver benefit and loyalty additions to fulfill the child's dream is there. Procedure to open. This account can be opened as under. Visit the branch of your convenience during business hours of any working day. From the bank counter, obtain an account opening form. Fill the form completely. Paste recent passport size photo of minor at assigned place. Put signatures of minor for Pehli Udan and signature of parent or guardian for Pehla Kadam at assigned place. Thereafter, submit the form along with the photocopies of your KYC documents with date of birth of minor, Aadhaar and PAN card or Form 60 of minor or parent cum guardian. Produce the original KYC document to bank staff for physical verification. After scrutiny, bank will open the account and issue the passbook same day. If you have any query in this regard or any other topic of banking interest are to be discussed, please feel free to write in the comment section. I will also request you to click the like and subscribe button for future references. Thank you.